Hello, welcome to Gayatri's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the best Natukodipulusu or country chicken curry. For this recipe I'm using 3 lbs country chicken. So first I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoon oil in a pan. For that I'm adding 2 onions, 3 to 4 green chilies. Saute the onions until they are golden brown. Once the onions turns into golden brown color, I am adding 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Try to use freshly ground ginger garlic paste. Saute this until the raw smell goes away or until the color changes to nice golden brown. In this, I am adding chicken. Adding 2 spoons of salt or enough salt per your taste. And turmeric. Mix it well and keep the lid on. Let it cook on medium flame so the chicken releases excess water. I cleaned the chicken liver, adding salt, turmeric, chili powder and ginger garlic paste. Keep it aside. Now in a bowl take 3 spoons of poppy seeds, add little warm water and soak it for few minutes. Let's prepare the masala. In a mixie jar, take around 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, cloves 9 to 10, cinnamon and cardamom. Make it into a fine powder. Now to this I am adding poppy seeds and little coconut. Let's grind it to a fine paste. Now let's see how is our chicken. All the excess water from the chicken evaporated. Now I am adding 4 spoons of chili powder. And the masala paste. Using freshly ground masala and ginger garlic paste gives nice flavor to the curry. You can see a lot of difference. Add water and keep the lid on. As you see here, the curry came to a boil. So let's add the chicken liver. Cook it on medium flame until the chicken is soft. The gravy is getting thicker and the oil is floating to the top. I'm adding the fresh curry leaves. You can sprinkle some coriander leaves in the end. Look at this beautiful and tasty Natukodipulusu. You also try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. If you really like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.